Welcome to this tutorial on navigating Best Places quality of life. Best Places is a website that provides detailed information about the quality of life in various cities and towns across the United States. To get the most out of this website, follow these steps. First, start by visiting the Best Places website and typing in the name of the city or town you are interested in. You can also browse through the website's predefined lists of best places to live, which are categorized by factors such as cost of living, education, and healthcare. Once you have selected a city or town, you will be taken to a page that provides an overview of the area's quality of life. This page will include information about the city's demographics, economy, education system, and healthcare options. You will also find data on the city's cost of living, including the median home price, average rent, and cost of groceries and transportation. One of the most useful features of Best Places is its Compare tool, which allows you to compare the quality of life in different cities and towns. To use this tool, simply select the cities you want to compare and the website will provide a side-by-side comparison of the area's demographics, economy, education system, and healthcare options. In addition to the Compare tool, Best Places also provides a cost of living calculator, which can help you determine how much it will cost to live in a particular city or town. To use this calculator, simply enter your income and expenses, and the website will provide an estimate of how much it will cost to maintain your current standard of living in the area you are interested in. When navigating Best Places, it is also important to consider the website's methodology, which is based on data from a variety of sources, including the U.S. Census Bureau, the Bureau of Labor Statistics, and the Federal Bureau of Investigation. The website's ratings and rankings are determined by a complex algorithm that takes into account a wide range of factors, including the city's economy, education system, and healthcare options. To get the most out of Best Places, it is a good idea to explore the website's many resources and tools, including its blog, which provides news and analysis on a wide range of topics related to quality of life. You can also use the website's forums to connect with others who are interested in the same cities and towns as you. By following these steps and using the tools and resources available on Best Places, you can gain a detailed understanding of the quality of life in various cities and towns across the United States. This information can be invaluable in helping you make informed decisions about where to live, work, and raise a family.